Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
This is just a really fabulous moisturizer. It is more of an intense hydration. When I feel my face very dry and or I feel dull, this is definitely one that I will use. I feel like it creates a barrier on my skin. You can see the thickness as it comes out. It comes out white and creamy as I continue to get it rubbed in. It is completely clear. But you can see how smooth. I definitely feel like this will leave a protective barrier on my skin. As the air in my house or the air outside is drier, I definitely feel my face getting drier, and I like to have a nice moisturizer. This did an excellent job of protecting it from how I felt when it was dry and irritated. This definitely gave me a smooth base for when I'm out and about and wearing it under my makeup.
And that's my point of view.